This is the TPS 300 electric battery powered sup pump for your stand-up paddleboard. It can inflate your paddleboard up to 20 psi just by adjusting it with these plus and minus buttons on the front. It also has an inflate and a deflate port. You just screw in the hose to the side that you want to use, connect the other end to your paddleboard, and turn it on. To turn on the pump, you set the pressure and double-click the power button. It's a two-stage motor where it starts out with a high volume first, and about 2 minutes later it'll kick into a high pressure to bring the paddleboard up to PSI. It comes with these other fittings that are useful for paddleboards or inflatable tubes, boating products or kayaks. It also has a couple of extra O-rings and a fuse. To charge the pump, there's a built-in cable you can plug into your car. It also comes with a wall charger for charging from your house. They throw in an extra car charger. I'm not exactly sure why. If you wanted to charge here with the car charger, or this one, I don't know why. You have two. Also, there's a USB port on the bottom. You can use the battery inside of the pump to charge your phone or other USB devices. Show you what the pump sounds like when it's actually pumping up a board. Power it on here, set it to 14 psi, and double click the power button to start it. It'll run for about 2 minutes before it kicks into the second stage. I'll jump back into the video after that. So you can hear it jump into the second stage of the pump there. It'll run for about another 10 minutes before the paddleboard's full. The battery will charge in a little over an hour, and I can get about 5 paddleboards filled with a single battery charge. The button on the end here is just the switch from bar to PSI. They do make a cheaper model if you're looking for one with not as powerful of pump. Take a look at that. I'll leave some links below to this paddleboard pump, as well as a few others. If you want to check out a few other paddleboard pumps that we've reviewed, both battery powered and plug, you can check out GearChase.com. We have those posted there. If you like this kind of material, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're always posting new videos about outdoor gear. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.